Now the practice session, okay? And let's see how many of you can do this question. This is the first question, and you all have to solve this, okay? I am giving you 3 minutes, or let's say take 5 minutes. We don't have any problem, okay? This is your first question, so whatever you learned, summarize it, okay? And no, like don't do the hurry, okay? Try to solve this question. Don't try to solve logically, okay? Like by taking any random value of A and B and trying to satisfy. Solve by the elimination method, okay? And this time I'm looking the answers as well because, okay, so one of the students have the question, will they test us for the simultaneous equation in the 11 plus? So answer is yes. We have many type of questions in that simultaneous equation is there, okay? If you go on our website, then you may find the topic name that is the simultaneous equation. And in that you can see there are many questions, okay?
I've got a question.
Yes,
What
tell me.
what website is it?
Okay, so the website is the PiAcademy, right? See, you can see the symbol here as well. So PiAcademy is there only, okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So simultaneous equation is there. Okay. So it's in your syllabus, okay? I'm nothing adding different here. And you have the, in fact, you have the difficult problems. You have the edge problem, you have the coin problems, and those are the word problems, okay? In that you have to create equation as well by yourself. And here I'm just putting straightforward equations. So yes, this question, this topic is in syllabus.
Sir.
Yes.
So for this question, there's also a plus and then a minus. But then we know that 2a and 2a are the same. So then I need to add or subtract.
I cannot say right now. It's you have to think. You can check in your pen and paper. Yeah, you have the pen and paper, right?
Yeah.
You can check over there. Yes, check it out. You have the 5 minutes to think. Okay. See, you have the pen and paper, and that's not big task. Like 2a, and yes, Kevin, why you are?
Do again.
Samir, why you are unmuting? Okay. Yes, Lucian, what is your doubt?
Shall I send my answer to you? Because I didn't do the lesson the other day and I just did it with my mom.
Okay, so okay, it's fine. It's fine. Like if you are able to solve it, you can solve, or else I will solve. So at that time you can observe. Okay, Lucian?
But should I just send my answer to you?
Yes, yes, everybody has to send me the answer. If you have the answer, you can put into the chat box. I am checking here. Yes, everybody has to send. There is nothing is to worry. You can send. You have to send A and B together, okay? Not the single value.
Shush.
Samir, keep mute yourself. Okay, so I can see many answers and other members may be stuck somewhere. Okay, so nothing is to worry. You can observe here, okay? And okay, let me select one of the person, okay? And he can or she can tell me the steps. Harshit, you have to tell me the steps and I'm going to write here. And if you do the mistake, I will correct it, okay? Harshit, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me the steps, what we are going to do. You have to stop, okay? After telling one step, you have to stop so I can write.
You need to add 2a plus 3b equals 14 and 2a.
Okay, wait. I am writing here. Now what step I have to do? I have to add them.
Yes.
Okay, so what will going to happen if I will add? Samir, why you are unmuting yourself? See, if you not follow the discipline of the class, I can remove you as well, okay? Okay, I am not being rude, but there are 99 people, right? You have to maintain the discipline. Okay, Elian, can you please tell me what will be the step?
The step will be, because it's the same, you have to do minus.
Yes, very good. Okay, and I can explain to everybody. Okay, you can continue once I will like complete the explanation. Okay, why we are doing subtraction? Because we found that the coefficient of A is the same. So here we have the 2 and here we have the 2. And I already told you, if you have the same sign, you have to do the subtract. Okay, So same sign you can do subtract. So you can like memorize this same sign subtract, okay? And different sign, or you can say opposite sign, you have to add, okay? So we have the same sign, that is why we are subtracting. Okay, Elian, can you please tell me if we subtract, then what is going to happen?
If you subtract, then 2a minus 2a equals to 0a.
Okay. And then?
I'm not really sure about the plus and minus because I haven't really found where the sign was on my notebook.
Okay,
So,
no problem. No problem. You can stop here, and very good for this step, okay? Now, Samhita, can you please tell me what is going to happen with the B?
So B is going to become plus.
Okay, yes. So what will be the answer?
And the answer will be plus 4b.
Yes, absolutely correct. And now you can stop. I can explain to everyone. Okay. See what is happening here. 3b minus b. Okay. So you can like you can visualize like this is happening. Okay. This is happening. And if you are available in the day number 1 like lecture, then you remember that if outside and inside bracket is the minus sign, then that is going to be plus sign. So 3b plus b equals to 4b. Okay. So it means this is the 4b. Okay. Yes, Samhita, continue. If you do anything wrong, then you will lose your chance. Okay, so I will select new person. Like Ilian lose her chance. Okay, Samhita, continue. 14 minus 6. What is going to happen?
It's going to become 8.
Okay, and it means b equals to how much?
That means b is equal to 2.
Okay, very good, excellent up to now. Khushi, I think you are new. I am seeing you for the first time. Have you listened? Are you there for the first 3 lectures? Okay, then my like might I have see you. But now tell me what will be the next step? Khushi, can you please tell me what will be the next step? Okay, so nothing is to worry. I am explaining. Okay, see after getting the value of b, you can take any equation. So let's say whatever equation you find easy, you can take that equation. Okay, Divine, can you please tell me the next step?
For my next step, I used 2a plus 3b equals 14.
Okay, so what to do in this?
That's the 3b would become 6.
Yes, 3 times 2, that will become 6. So I can substitute the value of b here. So that is equals to what? 2a equals, basically I have 2a plus 6 equals to 14, right? And then I can subtract 6 both the sides. So what is going to happen? 2a equals to what? I am going to get here. Divine?
14 took away 6 is 8. 14 took away 6. And then you would do 2a divided by 2, and then 8 divided by 2. So a equals.
Yes. Yeah, so I'm mentioning here, okay, the steps here I'm dividing 2 by 2 both the sides, and here I am subtracting by minus 6 both the sides. Okay, now remove your hands if you don't have any doubt. Okay, keep your hands if you have any doubt. Remove the hands if you don't have any doubt. Okay, now I can see there are 4 hands. Okay, Arush, what is your doubt?
I don't have a doubt. So I put my hand down.
Okay, Nihal, what is your doubt?
The same sign was subtract and the opposite was plus, but these two are different signs, so should they be add?
Where is the different sign here, Nihal?
2a plus 3b and 2a minus b, so plus and minus are different signs.
Oh, you don't have to look like this, okay? You have to focus for whatever element you are removing. What, for example, you are removing variable a, right? So you have to check the coefficient of a only, okay? Here you can see plus 2, and here also you can see plus 2. So it means you have the same sign. You don't have to worry about b, okay? Yeah.
You have to look at the signs.
Yeah, so you have to look at sign, whatever variable you are removing, okay? If you are removing the variable b, then you have to look for b. If you are removing variable a, then you have to look for a. Getting?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, Kaushal, what is your doubt?
So my doubt is when he said 2a plus 3b is 14, Divine said Divine, when he got the answer 2, Divine said that he would multiply it with 2a plus 3b equal to 14. And then when he did that, why didn't he multiply the 2a with the 2?
Okay, so Kaushal, you can tell me your doubt directly, okay? No need to explain that much. So here you can find this is the equation, okay? This is the equation we are using here. And
Yeah.
now we are substituting the value on the day one. On the day two, we learned the topic, and the topic name is what? Substitution, right? Remember? So substitution is about what? Substitution is about the whatever variable you are getting, you have to put the value of it only. So this is the value of b. So instead of b, you can put the 2. Did you get the value of a? No. You don't have any value of a, and that is you are going to solve. So here it's b, and instead of b, you can write the 2. And other things remain as it is because we are not doing anything to them. Right? Okay, Neeraj,
Thank you,
this
sir.
is last doubt. Okay? Yes, Neeraj. Okay, it's fine. Now let's have the next question. Everyone, please do this question. Okay, I am solving this. Okay, this is little bit different compared to the last one. Okay, so I am solving for all of you. See, today's lesson may you find little difficult, but it's required. Okay, it's required because these are still easy only. In this topic, simultaneous equation, these are the basic topics. Okay, like basic steps you have to remember and you have to solve, and this will you will get it after practicing. Okay, so there is nothing hard as well. So let's say I am writing both the equations. Okay, in front of you, x plus 2y equals to 14, and there is another equation that is 3x plus 4y equals to what you can see here 34. Okay, fine up to this. Okay, so like let's say I want to remove the x. Okay, let's say I have to decide. Okay, I have to decide like what I have to remove. So if let's say I have to remove the x. Okay, so what should be the necessary? If you want to remove the x, then it's necessary the coefficient of x must be same. Right now the coefficient available are 1 and 3, so they are not the same. Okay, how you can make the same? So there is very easy step how you can make the same. It's easy. Just take this equation and do the times in 3. Okay, take this equation like same thing. We have to apply both the sides, right? Yesterday we learned whatever operation we are applying, we have to apply both the sides. Okay, why I am multiplying with 3? Because here I have the 1, and if I will multiply with 3, then my number will become 3. Okay, so you can observe here what is going to happen. But before that, I want to ask anybody. Kai, can you please tell me what is going to happen if I will multiply with 3 in the first equation?
Would it turn to 3x plus 6y equals 42?
Yes, 3 times x, that is 3x, 3 times 2, that is the 6y, and 14 times 3, that is the 42. Okay, so this is your new equation.
Excuse me.
Yes, Divine.
And if you times it by 2 to make the 2y into 4y, wouldn't that give you a different answer?
No, you will never get the different answer. Okay, you will never get the different answer, and I can show you that as well. But like it's about the simultaneous equation. Okay, for the value of x, you will get the value of y. For any value of y, you will get the value of x. Okay, so there will be never different answer. Okay, Mahek, can you please ask me what is your doubt?
Sir, I'm just asking on behalf of Mahek. How will we know whether we have to multiply the first equation by 3 or the second one by, like,
2.
how are we going to make up our mind on that? Whether
Okay,
sorry, what I mean is, do we have to cancel out x in this or y? How will we know what's easier for children?
okay, no problem. So I am answering this question. Okay, so as it's your decision. Okay, completely your decision. For example, if you don't like to remove the x, it's okay. You can remove the y as well, and I can show you here. It's you have to decide. Okay, how easily you are able to do that. That's the point. Okay, for example, this is the equation. Okay, and now let's say you have you have decided like I want to remove the y. So how you can remove the y? So you can see the numbers. This is 2 and this is the 4. So it's easy to convert 2 into 4, right? By how? So you can multiply by 2. Okay, this way you can multiply by 2 both the sides, right, directly. And it's easy, nothing is too problem there. 2x plus 4y and equals to what? 14 times 2, that's 28. Okay, so see, on the left hand side, I have decided I am removing y. Okay, so listen to me here. both the things I am telling you. So it will get the answer of the divine and it will get the answer of Mahek as well. Here I am removing y, okay? My motive is to remove y, and here my motive is to remove x, okay? Now look at carefully. I am solving the left part. Once I will finish the left part, I will move to the right part, okay? See here, I have multiplied by 2. Why? Because I can see the number 2 and 4, and I want to remove this y. So their coefficient must be the same, right? So this I have converted into 4 by multiplying 2. It's fine up to now. Now it's easy. As you know, same sign, subtract. Yes, Samriti, let me finish first. What is your doubt? Tell me.
I was just asking. So let's say if the like not over here, but let's say if the equation was x plus 3y equals to 14. So we need to times both the equations to get the same sign. Of how would you work it out?
Okay, I am answering this question. Okay, see, what's your motive? The coefficient of like variable must be the same. Okay, whatever you want to remove. For example, here I have decided I want to remove y. So as you can see, my equation, I am converting this into 4, right? 4 and 4. Now you have the 4 and 4. Here I have decided I want to remove x. So I have converted the equation and now you have the same number. Okay, so by practicing you will learn that. Okay, so nothing is to worry, just observe me here. Okay, now let me finish and then you can ask me if you still have any doubt. Okay, now this equation I have converted. Now you know that same sign you have to subtract. Okay, same sign, do the subtraction. So here you can say plus 4 plus 4. So you can do the subtraction. Okay, so what is going to happen? 3x minus 2x, that's just x. 4y minus 4y, that's 0. Okay, and now what you have, 34 minus 28, that's how much? That's 6. So here you got the value of x. This is, you found the first variable. Now you can put in this first equation. That is what? X equals to 2y. I mean x plus 2y equals to 14. Now here you can substitute the value of x. That is 6 plus 2y equals to 14. So as yesterday I told you, you have to subtract 6 by both the sides. So what is going to happen? 2y equals to 8. Okay. So that means y must be 4, right? Getting? Here what we have done, subtracted 6 both the sides, and here what we have done, divided by 2 both the sides. Okay, this is, we got it. How to solve? By cancelling y first, and then we have determined, like first we solve x and then we have determined y. Okay, the left hand side. Now I am solving the right hand side. Still I am not going to take your doubt. Okay, still I am solving the right hand side. So raise down your hands. When I will ask, I can check your doubts. Okay, see, now the right hand side, I am solving the same question. Okay, with the different different thought. In this, what I thought I have, I am cancelling first x. Okay, so I am cancelling first x. So what I can do, same sign. So I know for same sign I can do the subtraction. So 3x minus 3x equals to 0. 4y minus 6y, that's how much? Minus 2y. Okay, that you know, right? 4y minus 6y, take away 6 from 4, that's minus 2. Now 32 minus 42, that's how much? So it's clearly minus 8, right? Okay, so you can cancel minus minus from both the sides. So that is going to be 2y equals to 8. Okay, and from here it's very clear, y equals to 4. Okay, yeah, like what number should be the y? If you getting 8, so that's 4 only. Now you can take the first equation. That's what you have, x plus 2y equals to 14. So instead of this y, you can put the value 4, and that is x plus 8, and that's equals to 14. So here, from here, you will get the value of x. What should be the value of x? Like x plus 8 equals to 14, then it must be the 6, right? So here you can observe my both the calculation. Here you got y equals to 4, and here you have also y equals to 4. Here you got x equals to 6, and here also you got x equals to 6. Okay, so its order does not matter, it's on you. Okay, Mahek, is it clear? So it's
Yes,
on you.
thank
Okay, what you find easy. Okay,
Thank you.
Ara, what is your doubt?
So for example, if you were to just choose like
Wait,
are you allowed to
wait.
divide?
Wait, Ara. See, okay, I got it. Are we able to divide or not? Okay, so I can see here I am able to divide, right? But my 3 will get turned into the 1.5. Okay, decimal, so that I don't want. 4y I can divide and I can make the 2. That's easy. You can do any operation. Okay, like you are multiplying, you are dividing, both the things is possible. Okay, it's on you. But you have to take care, like your number will turn into the decimal, then decimal. If you're happy to operate decimal, it's fine. It's on you. Okay. So it's
Okay.
okay. It's okay. Yes, Neeraj.
I didn't get how you multiplied the 3.
Okay. Now tell me the answer of one question. Like what is the LCM of 1 and 3? LCM of 1 and 3 is the 3, right? So I have to convert them into 3. Okay. There is nothing is too difficult. Like you are available yesterday. This is I am multiplying by 3. So that's easy. Like times table, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 14. That is 42. Yes, Samriddhi.
What I was trying to say last time was, let's say if the equation is totally different, okay, and it is x plus 3y equals to 14 and 3x plus 4y equals to 34.
Okay, so in that case, sometime it's possible you have to multiply in both the equations to make them same. Okay.
Yeah, so
See,
that's what I was
sometime,
asking.
yeah. So that's for that. What I told you, you have to practice more and more questions, and you will get that type of question. I told you that one, right? In this question, see the next question, Samriddhi. This is your doubt. This is your doubt only, right? So that's I told you. You have to listen me more. Okay. Now please mute yourself, everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
just going to ask you one thing. Why you are not doing this equation like 2x plus 7y equals to 23, and you can make it like 2x minus 3x plus 7y minus 4 and make it 23 minus 15?
But we will do that, ma'am. Then what is we will achieve? We will not achieve anything, because if you observe here, you want me to do this 2x minus 3x, so I will get minus x, 7y minus 4y, so I am going to get 3y, and 23 minus 15, so I am going to get the 8. So by doing this, what I will achieve? I will achieve the another equation. So that is not my aim, right? My aim is to solve the equation. So how is
So
that
like the
possible?
integers, how do we do the integers? Like you cannot do this.
Like terms.
Yes,
Like terms.
See, ma'am, it's not possible to solve this question. It's only and only possible if you remove either x or y. Okay, then and then only it's possible to remove, because still whatever number of equation it will get generate, right? Like it's not possible to get like now also what how I am able to get the value of x and y. So there is no other way. You have to eliminate one of them. Okay, by making their coefficient same. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So, okay, now let's have this question and listen to me, everybody. Okay. You have enough time to do this topic. Okay. And I am telling you again this question. Okay. And this is little different compared to the last one. Somebody please mute. Okay. Yes. Please maintain the discipline in the class. Okay. So let's have the next question. Okay. Whenever you get this type of question, do one thing, just write it down like this. Okay. 2x plus 7y equals to 23. Now write it down the next equation, 3x plus 4y equals to 15. Okay, fine up to this. Okay, now what you find here, the numbers are totally different, right? 2 and 3, they are the different. 7 and 4, they are also different, right? So it's not possible directly add or subtract, right? Because numbers are the different. Okay, so what you can do, have you remember the LCM of 2 and 3? Anybody? What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Okay, so here and okay, 6 is the correct answer, but you have to wait for me. I will name it. Okay, if I will pronounce your name, then and then only. Okay, so 6 is the possible number, right? And you know the LCM is 6. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we can do one thing. We can convert both the equations, okay, into 6. Okay, this number I am converting into 6, and how is that possible? By multiplying 3 both the sides, right? So basically what is happening, this 3 I'm multiplying here in this equation. Okay, why we are doing this? Because we want to achieve a number, and that number is 6. Okay, and this equation I'm multiplying with 2. Okay, tell me everybody, getting up to this, remove the hands. If your doubt already answered by me, then remove the hands. Okay, yes, Janisha, any doubt up to now why I have taken 2 and 3? Okay, no one have any doubt, right? So why I have selected 2 and 3? Because if I will multiply, then my first number is going to convert into the 6x, right? Okay, so after multiplication, you may find my first equation is what? 2 times, like 3 times 2x, that's the 6x, okay? And 3 times 7, that is 21y. And 23 times 3, that's what? 3 times 3, that is 9. And 2 times 3, that's 6. So 23 times 3, that's 69. Okay, this is my first equation, okay? See, we are allowed to do any number of multiple operation, okay? But your ultimate aim is what? Your first number should be the same, okay? To achieve the elimination, okay? So here you can multiply what you are going to get, 6x, okay? And 2 times 4, that's 8y, okay? And 15 times 2, that's 30, okay? Now we got it. What we are looking for? We are looking for the same number, right? First number should be the same. So for x, we got it, okay? Here you can see 6x and 6x, right? So same, as you know, same sign subtract, right? I'm keep writing the here, same sign subtract, okay? So you can also get it, same sign, you have to do the subtraction, okay? So you can directly subtract them. And after doing the subtraction, let me ask who is going to do this. Okay. Shan, can you please tell me how to do this now? Okay. Okay, Moyuk, can you please tell us?
So 6x minus 6x, it will be cancelled.
Okay, so that's 0. Then
21y minus 8y will be 13y.
okay, very good. That's correct. 13y.
And
Then,
equal to 69 minus 30 equal to 39.
yeah, okay, that's correct. Absolutely correct. So Khushi, do you want to answer me? What is the value of y from here?
Y is 3 because you have to do 39 divided by 13.
Okay, so that's good. Excellent. Now, can you please tell me what will be our next step? Continue.
You can choose one of the equations. So you can choose the second one. So you can write 6x plus 3, and in brackets you can plus 8, and in brackets you can put 3, and which is equal to 30, and then 6x plus 3 times
Okay, Khushi,
8
thanks.
times.
Okay, Khushi, can you please tell me what is your final answer for x so I can check?
X is equal to 1.
Okay, that's good. And let's do it together. See, you are allowed to choose any equations. Okay, so here now you have the 4 equations, already given 2 equations and new generated 2 equations. Okay, so it's on you what you want to choose. Okay, let's say I'm choosing this one, the original and the given one. Okay, like I can select anyone. Okay, so everyone is correct, nothing is there wrong. Okay, so I am selecting this. So instead of y, I can write 3. So 7 times 3, that's 21. Okay, so this is 21, and other things as it is, 2x plus 21 equals to 23. So from here, it's very clear, like what should be my 2x? 2x equals to 2, and that means x equals to 1, right? So yes, Khushi, I want to just show you that you and everybody, like you are allowed to choose any equations. Khushi have selected a different equation, and I have selected this equation. Still, we are getting the same answer, okay? Now, please remove your hands if you don't have any doubt. Remove your hands. Please remove your hands. Okay. Kaushal, why you have every time the doubt?
For this doubt, so I will have to like 6x plus 8y because that's the same as 3x and 4y.
Okay, that's you are explaining. Okay, that's fine. That's you are explaining. That is not your doubt. Okay, thank you for this. Okay, let's have the next question. Okay, so this is little bit what we can say word problem type of things. Okay, so Sarah is 21 years younger than her mom. Some of their ages is 57 years. So how old is the Sarah? Okay, so one of the parents or one of the student asked me like simultaneous equation is there or not. So this type of problems you have. Okay, Sarah is 21 younger than her mom and some of their ages equals to 57. So how old is Sarah? So this is very basic question as for the 11 plus. Okay, so if you want to try, everyone try this question. I agree, I never taught this type of equation to you. Okay, question to you, that's why I'm making simpler. If you find you are able to do it, you can continue, or else I am starting the solution. Okay, see, there are 2 persons, right? First one is the Sarah and the second one is Sarah's mom. Okay, so okay, so very good. like many students are solving without my help. That's very good and excellent. Okay. So here you can, other members, please observe here. Okay. Otherwise, I am not going to answer the question. That is, I am not getting. Okay. Because I am explaining each and every step in very, what we can say, slowly, as well as I am not missing any steps. Okay. See, Sarah is 21 years younger than her mom, right? So it's very clear. Mom's age is more than the daughter, right? It's clear, right? And it's logically also it's clear. So what it means, like let's say Sarah's present age is X and her mom's age is Y. Okay. So I can write like this: X plus 21 equals to Y, or I can say Y equals to X plus 21. Is it clear, the first equation? Everyone, raise your hands if you don't have this clear. Okay, so I can see everybody have this clear. Okay. Okay, Che, what is your doubt? Tell me. What is your doubt in this? Only in this, okay? Don't give me any other example.
No.
Tell me.
I don't know how you got that equation.
Okay, so can you read this first line? Sarah is 21 years younger than her mom, right?
Yeah.
So I am saying Sarah's age is X and her mom age is Y, okay? So if I want to make them equal, then what it will be? Y equals to X plus 21, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you can mute. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So let's have the next line. Okay, so what you can find here, sum of their ages is 57 years. Okay, so from here you got one more thing is like if you add X plus Y, then you must get the 57, right? Yeah. And Che, if you have the problem in this, then you can get like this as well, right? See, it's very clear, right? Y minus X, that should be 21. That they told us, right? 21 years difference they have, right? It's clear. Okay, so it's very clear. Okay, and see, right now I am just rearranging the order of this. Okay, because I want to keep one below one. Okay, so I am just rearranging, and X plus Y I can write Y plus X, right? There is no offense. Okay, like there is no problem. Y plus X. Okay, fine. Up to this, anybody, anyone have doubt? Please raise your hand now only. Okay, don't say at the end like I am not getting, because then it's difficult to start from the beginning. Anyone have any doubt? No doubts. I cannot say any hand. Okay, fine. So here it's easy, like opposite sign, what to do? Opposite sign, you have to add them. Same sign, you have to subtract. So here I can find, like, see, now it's your goal. Okay, now it's on you. Like I can see, like Y also have the same numbers, right? 1 and 1. So I can subtract as well. Okay, so it's on you. I would like to add. Okay, I would like to add. Okay, so it's on you. There is nothing is to worry. Okay, this X and this X will get cancelled. So Y plus Y, that is 2Y. And here if I will do the column addition, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 7, 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay, so from here it's very clear. Y should be what? Y should be how much? Who is going to answer this question? Okay, Tulsi, what is the value of Y?
Y should be 39.
Okay, very good. Y should be 39. So if you can see here, if you have the value of Y equals to 39, so what should be the value of X? So that's clear, like, you know, there is a X plus 21, right? So you can do it, like you can take an equation. Okay, let's say I'm taking the second equation. So Y plus X equals to 57. So from this, I can see the X equals to what? 57 minus Y, and the value of Y is the 39, right? So I can subtract easily. Like if I will subtract, what I'm going to get out of 57 minus 39.
So 57 minus 39 will be 18.
Okay, so 18 is the answer. Okay, are you getting? Now please remove your hands. If you have any doubt, then keep, otherwise remove. Okay, Janisha, tell me, what is your doubt?
Sorry, I forgot to take it off.
Okay, so let's have the next question. Okay, find the two numbers. Yashu, you have the doubt for the last question?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, what is your doubt?
How did you get 39?
Okay, how I got the 39. So that, what is the half of 78? Can you please tell me? What is the half of 78?
39.
So that's from here I got, right? 2 times Y equals to 78. It means 1 time Y equals to how much it should be? I am dividing here by both the sides by 2. Okay, so if you divide by 2 both the sides, like 2x equals to 4, then x equals to 2 only, right? The same way. Okay, getting, dividing by 2 both the sides. Okay, let's have the next number. Okay, find the two number that have the difference of 2 and add up to 22. This question the same as we have done the last one. Okay, so please everyone try to solve this question, and I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, or you can take 3 minutes as well, but don't try to solve logically. Okay, because it's fine, logically you can do it, but try to learn the algebra, because this is the lesson for algebra, right? So yes, everybody. Kaushal, please remove your hands. Like you are not starting the question, before that you are raising the hand. Okay. Okay, so I can see there is no hands. Okay, so it means everybody is getting. Kevin, what is your doubt?
I don't have a doubt. I just got the answer.
Okay, you got the answer. So for answers, you don't have to raise the hand. For answer, you have to use the chat box.
Okay.
And yes, you have to raise hand if you have a doubt.
Can I please explain this question?
No. Wait. Other members are doing the question. Okay, I can give you the chance. Okay.
No, after all the other people finish it.
Yes, after 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will give you a chance. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Kevin. Yes, Samir, what is your doubt? Do you have any doubt?
Yeah.
No, I just got the answer.
They tell you to.
So already I mentioned, if you got the answer, then use the chat box. Don't use the raise option. Raise hand option you have to do when you have doubt. Okay. Remove hands. Kevin, remove hands if you don't have any doubt. So I'm getting the answer from everybody, and it looks good answer, and everybody is solving. Correct. Very easy. Nothing is to worry. So yes, Kevin, you can do the half question. Okay. And half question I can ask someone else. Yes, Kevin, start the question.
So firstly, I realized that x minus 2 equals y.
Okay, wait here. Okay, so what is the given here, everyone? They are telling you there are two numbers, and the difference between them is the 2, right? So let's say there are two numbers, and I am taking the two numbers are x and y, okay? So I am taking x and y, and I am believing, see, no one knows, okay, who is greater than this, because these are the variable and they are the unknown, right? So I am believing from my end, like x is a greater, and that is why I am doing this, because they are telling the difference of 2, right? So x minus y equals to 2. Okay, Kevin, continue from here.
And then x plus y is 22.
Yes, from this second line, you can observe add up to 22. So they are talking about the same numbers, right? So your numbers are x and y. So it's clear, x plus y equals to 22. This is your second equation. Okay.
Then I done 22 subtract 2, which is 20, and then divided by 2, which gives you 10. So if one of the numbers are 10, and if they have a difference of 2, it could be either 8 or 12. 8 plus 10 is 18, while 12 plus 10 is 22. So the
excellent, Kevin. You can, yes, you can start. Okay. Yes, Shreya, what do you want to say?
Please may I explain the second half of it?
Okay, yes, sure. And you can start explanation from here, but do it slowly, okay? So I can explain with other as well. Okay, what will be the next step, Shreya?
So, what you would have, what I did is I just flipped them, so then it's easier. So if I did 22 over 2, I just need to subtract it. So 22 minus 2 is 12.
Okay, fine. But can we do this one? Like if I don't want to do anything, then I can add as well, right?
So 2x.
So, yes. So I can do x plus x, that is the 2x. And this y will get cancelled, right, Shreya?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the 0. And 2 plus 22, that's how much? 24, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's value of x?
X is 12.
Okay, very good. So after this, you just have to put here in any equation, okay? So x plus y equals to 22. So you can put it in any way, like you can take any equation, okay? So instead of x, you are putting 12.
Yeah.
Okay, so 12 plus y equals to 22. So value of y must be what? 22 minus 12. And that's absolutely 10, right? Now, keep your hands if you have doubt, okay? Yes, please remove your hands. Okay, Samhita, what is your doubt?
I didn't realize I had my hand on.
Okay, no problem then. Okay, so no one have doubt. Very good, excellent. We can move on the next question. Okay, here you are dealing with the real life problems. Okay, like you are buying 2 apples and one banana, and shopkeeper is asking for, let's say, 25p, okay? And then 5 apples and 3 bananas cost, let's say, 68p, okay? So what is the cost of 1 apple? You have to figure it out this one, okay? So yes, everyone, you have to solve, okay? Let's say you are taking, instead of apple, X, okay? And instead of banana, you are taking Y, okay? So I can teach you how to solve this. Like, I am not teaching you how to solve. I am teaching you how to make the equation, okay? See, what they are telling you, 2 apples, right? So instead of that, you can write 2x, okay? So instead of this, you can write 2x. If you are thinking the cost of apple is x, okay? X and y are the cost, okay? X and y are the cost for apple and banana respectively, okay? Okay, these are the cost. Now what you find here, you have the 2x plus y, you are buying, right? So it will get add only. 2x plus y equals to what? 25. So this is your first equation. You can make from the given information only, right? It's easy, only 2x plus y equals to 25. And the next one is what? 5 apples. It means what? 5x you can write, but make sure you are taking the same variable, okay? Here you have assumed the 4x, you have apple, okay? So for the next time also, it should be for apple only. Now 3 banana, it means 3y, and the cost equals to what? Cost equals to 68. So that's it. You can write the equation here, 5x plus 3y, here 68, okay? Now see what you want. You want the cost of apple, right? So you want the value of x, right? You want the x. So I'll try to eliminate the y. It means if you want x, then try to remove the y, okay? So I am selecting one of the person, and that person is going to tell me how we can remove the y, okay? So Epsira, can you hear me? Epsira. Okay, I'm taking another person. Varun, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so Varun, can you please answer me? Like, I want to cancel the y, and how I supposed to do that? How I can do that?
So you basically times the top row by 3 because the bottom row is 3y, so you times 1y by 3 and 2 times by 3 and 25 times 3.
Okay, excellent. Now you can stop over there. And yes, good explanation, and you are correct as well. Okay, very good, excellent. So here, as Varun told us, what we have to do, we have to multiply by 3. Why we are multiplying? Because this number is 1 and this number is 3, and your aim is to remove y, so the coefficient of y must be the same. So here you can multiply by 3, okay, by both the sides, right? So what is going to happen? 2 times, like 3 times 2 or 2 times 3, that will give you 6x. 3 times y, that's the 3y, okay? And 25 times 3, that's the 75, okay? So after having the knowledge of this same coefficient, they are, both of them are the 3, right? And you also find that they have the same sign. So once you come to know they have the same sign, what to do? Subtract, right? Same sign, subtract, okay? So you can remember triple S, okay? Like same sign, subtract. So what is going to happen after doing that? It's easy to understand. 6x minus 5x, so it's only x. 3y minus 3y, that's the 0, okay? And 75 minus 68, that means the 7. So you got the value of x, and that is what we are looking for. One apple value, right? And apple is the x only, right? I told you x and y are the cost for the apple and banana respectively, right? So you got the value of x, and x is what? The 7p, okay? So the cost of one apple is the 7p. Okay, now remove your hands if you don't have any doubt. Okay, Yashu, what is your doubt?
I forgot to put my hand down.
Okay. Kaushal, what is your doubt?
So my doubt, why did you multiply by 3?
Okay, so up to now, what we learned up to 5 questions, we have to make the coefficient same, right? So here I have the coefficient, that is the 1, and I want to eliminate y. So for that, the first and the most condition is what? Your coefficient should be the same. So if I will multiply by 3, then and then only I will get here 3, right? So I have converted into 3, okay? That's why I have multiplied by 3. Okay, fine. Is there any other doubt, anyone? Kaushal, you can mute. Okay, thank you. So anyone have any doubt? I don't think so, because no one raised hand. Okay, nothing is to worry. So let's begin our quiz round, okay? Hope you find easy this lesson, because I am trying my best and I'm explaining each and everything. And I'm after every question I'm asking as well. If you have doubt, then raise your hands, okay? Because may you are doing this type of question for the first time, so may you find the difficult. Yes, Samhita, what is your doubt? Any doubt, Samhita?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, let's begin the quiz round.